Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Welcome to Life of Blues Trading Academy. And before we start, let's look at our first factory and let's see what's going on. Today is the 21st of April, and we can see we got no serious news coming in apart from USD news, but nothing serious currently when we're trading. So let's go to Gbpjpy and let's analyze Gbpjpy. Let's see what price got in stock for us. Now let's clear up our charts. Let's go to the daily time frame. Let's first of all look at the weekly and let's see how the weekly candle is. Now you can see how bullish the weekly candle is and how it has been this month. We have a very strong bullish month. Price has been trending upwards. You can see it. Now let me look at my left hand. Let me see if we have any major resistance on the weekly. Now the only resistance I can see in the weekly is above this structure. If I go to my line chart, you can see it's clear that this is the only structure I have, and there was a resistance here which the price is currently breaking above. You can see price is breaking above that resistance zone. You can see it on the weekly time frame. I have a day and 15 hours left for the weekly candle to end. Now let's clear this and let's go to our daily time frame. Let's see what we can find on our daily time frame. Now let's do the same thing. Let's see if we have a daily resistance that is friendly that we can use to analyze our chart. Now you can see it's the same thing for a possibility. Since price has broken above this, the next resistance, the next price, the next place price we get to is this zone, which is here, and that's what I'm looking at right now. So let's go to our current day and let's walk our way through. Let's see what price has to do. Now the previous daily candle has a bearish end. You can see it, but due to the fact that the week started bullish, you can see how strong the previous candle is. This might just be a correction for a continuation to the upside, and that's what I can see now. Once the price give me a clear confirmation, and that's what I'll do. Now we have a resistance above here, and we have a support down here. If I want to consider selling the trade, I need price to break below here on the 4-hour time frame for me to consider sell, because we have clean structure. Once price break below, we have about 130 pip range when price break below that structure. Now let's go to the 1-hour time frame and let's mark up our zones where, and let's see how we can execute these trades properly. Now I can see that price has broken the first level and it's currently rejecting the second level, which is here. And for a decent buy currently in the London section, which we're currently now in the pre-London, I need a break above this zone. If price break above this zone, we can anticipate price to probably get to this level. And once you get to, we can continue this bullish run. So that's what I need price to do. And for a sell, I need price to close below this structure. So let me put sells below and buy above. So sells below and do this and buy above. We also have a buy above this structure as well. If price breaks above this structure, buy above. So this is what I'm looking for price to do today. And in order for me to get in this trade, I need not just when price break above, I just go in. I need price to do a certain thing in the market for me to consider taking this trade. And now what do I need price to do? I need a clean break above the structure and a close, then a weak rejection for me to consider going up. So what I need price to do is probably from here, form some, let me clean this. I need price to do something like this. Have candle like this with top and bottom rejection. I need price to do something like this. And I need a break above the structure, then a weak rejection. Then we buy at the break at this high. This is where we execute our trade. Then you put buy stop there for price to continue to the upside. So that's what I need price to do. What I need price to do. What I'm looking for price to do for me to go for a buy. And same thing applies for sell position when price get below the structure. Yeah, if I get below the structure, when price get below the structure and breaks below the structure, break with the close below and in the top and bottom week, then a rejection, signifying bearish momentum as price flip, sell it for a bearish continuation. So this is exactly what I'm looking for on Gbpjpy. And if price doesn't do this, then I won't enter the trade. I won't bother executing any trade. So that's it on Gbpjpy. And I hope you guys to stay tuned, look at this and pay attention to the setups. And this is what we're looking for. That's it. So let's go over to gold and let's see what gold is telling us now. Firstly, let's look at the weekly candle and let's see what the weekly candle is. Now, the weekly candle is bearish. You can see it's currently bearish, but I need to understand something that price is currently in decision. Price doesn't really know where it's headed to because price has broken above and below the previous week. So price is it's hard to actually predict where price is heading to right now till the day candle ends. That way we can tell the weekly candle ends. That way we can actually tell where price wants to go to. So now let me show you what I can see right now on today's candle and what the price is reading me. Now you can see price created a support level which is below here. It just created a support level which is below here. You can see it's also the support level. You can see it's price have rejected this place. So this is support level, and we have what? We have a resistance which is here. So my daily bias is for price to get to this daily resistance, which is around 200 pip. So once price flip, the moment price flip this candle, I'm anticipating price to drive up to cover this rejection, this zone, this place. This you can see it. You have one clean daily candle. I'm expecting price to cover this level. Now, how can I execute this trade now? You have to go to the lower time frame and see how we can find good entries to get into this trade. Now, going to the 4-hour time frame, I can now adjust my support level down here, which looks more clear for where price might likely break. If we break this level, continue to the downside. Now we have to look for our resistance level. This is our resistance level, our daily resistance. This is our daily flip as well. So once price flip this level, I'm anticipating price will keep driving to the upside. Now let's go to the 1-hour time frame, which is the time frame I love the most. The 1 hour and 30-minute time frame. I can clearly see that same level holds. Now the bottom line, if all your time frame matches, that means your bias is strong. It's always good to have all your time frame aligning to what you want price to do. And according to this, all my bias is telling me that once price break above this level, price is going to give us a drive to the upside. So I'll mark this as what? Buys above. So once price break above this zone, I'm looking at taking a buy to the upside. So what do I want price to do now? I want price to simply break above and give me some nice bullish run to the upside, and I will be in on this trade. So I need price to do this, break above. I need a clean break above this structure, and I need a weak rejection. And at the break above the current candle, I'll take a buy to the upside. So this is what I want price to do. Then let's go to the 30 minutes, because 30 minutes is always my entry time frame. If I don't see my entry in 30 minutes, then probably to be in the 1 hour or even the 4 hours. I get in some 4 hours entries. Now let's go to the 30 minutes time frame and let me show you. As you can see on the 30 minutes, price is aligned to the same structure we're looking for. The same thing price is still doing on the daily, the 4 hours, the 1 hour, and down to the 30 minutes. So the same thing I'm looking for in the 30 minutes time frame. I need price to do what? I need price to break above. I need price to do this, break above structure. Price to break above the structure. Then I need a rejection. It will buy above that rejection to the upside. So this is exactly what I want price to do. Buy this is what I want price to do. This is my bias for the day, and let's see how it plays out, and if we can have this setup. So that's it. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if price plays out the way you like, don't fail to comment down below. Thank you. That's it. Peace out.